Man, here it is, the 2025 Suzuki SV 650 V-twin. I'll tell you why I think it's one of the greatest of all-time motorcycles. Stay with me. You don't want to miss this video, I promise. Let's turn this thing on. There it is. There's the LCD dash. There's your speedometer. There's your gear selector. It does have your fuel gauge on it. It's got the easy start system, so you'll just hit the starter and it'll start itself. This bike does have ABS. Let's get rolling here. Man, huge thank you as always to Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, Moto Guzzi. They've got everything side by sides. Huge thank you to them. Let's get going here. This is a V-twin. It's a 90-degree V-twin. This thing makes about 73 to 75 horsepower. It is a super torquey bike. It's an excellent beginner bike. Man, I've got a video of those 457s. That's an awesome bike as well. The thing about this bike that is so nice about it is just super simple, so easy to ride. I would say one of the best higher cc beginner bikes. It being a 650, I really like to see people start on 500cc or less motorcycles. We're going to get out here. Let's take a right. I don't know if y'all can hear that pipe, but it sounds good. It feels good when you rev it. Some people always say, well, why do you rev them so much? Well, I'm trying to give you the sensation. Make sure yep, everything's on that view. It does not have a quick shifter on it. The seat height is 30.7, 30.9 inches high. I have a 30-inch inseam, and so I can almost, matter of fact, I think I was flat-footed on it. I'll pull over and check that real quick. Everything on this bike is super simple. You've got the front forks. There's no adjustments on the front forks. Let me pull over here. I want to see for myself. Am I flat-footed? Yes, got a car behind me. Better get going before I get run over here in Dallas. This thing weighs fully fueled. I think it is 423 pounds. If there's anything wrong in these specs, I'll put the right numbers up. But man, just super easy to ride. I'm gonna jump off of it up here and give you a quick walk around. I'll tell you what, let's do something a little different today. Let's just ride. The front rotors are 290 millimeters. They got 4-piston calipers, 2 4-piston calipers. The back tire is a 160/60/17, and I believe the 25 model has the Dunlops on them. On the bike, front and rear, it's got a 17-inch 120/70/17 in the front. It's got your temperature gauge there. That display there is backlit, and I'll try and show you the RPM here. It's got your clock, your total mileage. It will tell you also your mile per gallon. I hope you can see that. Let's get closer. Let's select this. Your trip A. I'm sure it's got a trip B. This thing's going to get about 150 to 170 miles on a tank. The tank capacity is 3.7 gallons. And your radiators up here, easy access to your radiator cap. These are pretty much bulletproof, these bikes, as long as you keep the oil changed. This was made, this bike first came out in 1999, I believe, so this is the 25th year of it, 26th year of it. It's pretty much stayed the same. It started as a carbureted bike. It does have cables for your throttle. Everything is so simple, so easy to figure out on this bike. Your horn's there on the bottom. I'll show you that. The horn right there. Not honking at you, ma'am. Sorry about that in front of me. Your high beam's right there. You can see in the back of that car. If you look at it, there's that high beam. You've seen it come on. I'm really pretty much straight up and down. I'm about 5'8", 5'9". There's your temperature gauge. Man, this thing is so much fun. The accessory catalog for this bike, you can find anything that you could imagine. Cowl to go over that front headlight. There are so many aftermarket parts, it is crazy. I'm going to pull over and just walk you around it real quick. I wanted to ride the whole time, but I think I need to just walk you around it. Just 3-minute deal. I know sometimes I go over, but this is going to be probably 2 minutes. Put that kickstand down, turn it off. Look at that. It's got that trellis frame. This is the greenish color, and I hope you can see that in the thumbnail. It's like a flat green. And I asked one of the salesmen, I said, hey, is this the new color for the Hayabusa? That 25 Hayabusa video is coming soon. But there's your 4-piston calipers in the front. It's got 2 of those calipers, 2 front rotors. There's your back rotor. It's a single piston caliper in the back. Those are Dunlop. Looks like Dunlop. Yep, Dunlop Road Smarts. There's your radiator. Everything is super simple. This bike is a 25 model SV 650 with ABS. You can see that there. $8,049. It's got adjustable brake lever here where you can adjust that out or in with your adjuster nut. Let's get back on it. Passenger pegs. You could take that little silencer off, that muffler, add on something a little bit louder. I'm going to start it up for you, rev it up just a little bit. Here we go. This is a super cool bike, man. Super cool. I believe the wheelbase is, I'll put that number up because I can't remember that wheelbase length from axle to axle, and then the total length. It's about 44, 45 inches high. LED, like the GSX rear brake light, those are LEDs. I believe it has your standard light bulb right there. Let's get back on it. I don't want to go over my 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Man, this is a super fun bike. Got your high beam indicator. Everything is just so super simple. It's so easy to manage. The weight, it's not a 500-600 pound bike. And this was built back in '99 to compete with the Ducati Twin. Can't remember which model that was, but I know what it looks like. It basically looks like this. Oh, little hooligan bike, man. Whoa. Woo. I didn't expect that. I rode one of these in 24, and I don't think I goosed it that hard. This thing will run 60 mile an hour in third at 6,000 RPM. This would be an excellent cheap commuter bike or a beginner learning on a bike. Man, what an awesome year we got coming up in 25. We're approaching the 3 million view mark, and I've got 72 videos in a first ride playlist that and I'll put that up here. You can go into my profile on YouTube and hit the First Ride playlist, and you could pick from any of those. We've got a bunch of 25s coming up, the Aprilias, all the Aprilia stuff. I've already rode most of the Kawasaki stuff that's 25 coming out. But man, what an awesome year. Let's take this back to the dealership, and I hope you're enjoying the channel. Make sure you leave a comment. I answer all the comments. Somebody's going to Longhorn Steakhouse, lucky dog. Steak sounds good right now. But man, remember that Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, Moto Guzzi, Piaggio, all their info. Oh, somebody bought a new GSXR 1000. Woo, that's a beautiful bike. All their information is in the description of every video. Man, what an awesome ride. I love riding just basic bikes that are fun. They don't beg to be rode fast. There's nothing better to me. But man, thank y'all for riding with me. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like it if you got something from it. God bless you. We'll see you on the next one.